Hey guys, today's Friday, January the 12th of 2024. And this might probably be like my second little educational video, especially on Tradingview since I'm traveling and I'm not home. I figure I'd show you something I came across, I guess yesterday. I started tinkering around with it this morning. Um, so I wanted to show it to you, and I'm using NG as a backdrop. There is a feature here which is awesome that they have that. I never knew they had this. So you got auto fits data to screen. So let's say if you're messing around with it, you kind of have it there, and then you want to auto fit. It stretches it out evenly. I like to focus on a range, and they have this feature called like lock price to bar ratio. This is an awesome feature, especially if you're using geometry and you want to get your chart locked to a grid. You click on that, and you see how you open it, it expands, but it keeps everything locked. See how that fluctuates like that? Now let me see if I take it off, and I'm going to expand it. You see how it opens up and down? So let's put it back to auto fit. Let me see something. I don't know if it locks it to however, whatever size I guess maybe just have it on auto fit, or at least somewhere where you can see it, but I guess it doesn't really matter because once it's locked, which is a good thing. So that's auto fit. I'm gonna lock price to bar ratio. You see there's a number 0.0397. And if we expand it, it doesn't go up and down. It just like goes, I guess it's locked, but it's expanding and it's going down. Let me see if that number changes. No, 0.0397. So that's locked to that ratio. Now, the good thing about this, that it's doing that, is that when you want to start doing geometry, and let's say you want to use the circle, like the way I use on my software, you want to pick that low. I'm picking that April low. You can see that it's kind of around September 5th. If you move it around, you still want to get that edge there. It's still September 5th. So that is a good thing that it does that, which I never realized that TradingView does that, or had that feature. I use one software that does that locks everything, and it locks it to a 45 degree scale chart. So that's a plus. So another thing I wanted to cover, you could do a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe I could do more videos like that. But yeah, you got all these tools at your disposal. The cycle stuff, the Gann box, taking it from the high and anchoring it to that first impulse. You could do it from the arc. Or from the box. Either way, and this right here is a true 45 because it's a fixed one. So yeah, so there's a lot of cool things, but yeah, definitely. I just wanted to, one of the reasons for this video is to show you about this lock price to bar ratio. If you have a software that has this feature, I highly recommend you use it. In regards to, see the bad thing is that when you try to like zoom in here, you really can't do it. You will have to like zoom in here and then kind of lift it up. That's the downfall of that. So if you're used to, just kind of, let's take that off, and have a magnifying glass. You see how it adjusts it? It just kind of open it up and go straight here. Then that feature might not be good for you, especially if you're used to that kind of stuff. So this is a NG. And you can see that is pushing higher. Looks like it may want to test this high of 339. What was Monday? So I wanted to go over the statistics. I don't know if I have time to do a video. The statistics for this week was it was supposed to be a down day, Tuesday, and then Wednesday was supposed to be either up or down. And it looked like it maybe was a little more on the downside. And then Thursday, a big day up, and then Friday down. So, the only way to tell really is by looking at the 30-minute. And I know in my Thinkorswim, I could see the U.S. session. I can't tell here. But you could look it up on your own trading software. Yeah, so here's Monday. I don't know if they just have U.S. session here. Regular trading hours. There you go. Yeah, so this is what I want to see. Yep. So Monday was supposed to be down, it went up. Tuesday was supposed to be down, and it went up. Towards the end, it kind of pulled back. Wednesday was mixed, and that kind of looks like it'll either go up. And then Thursday, supposed to be up. So yeah, it went up, but not by a lot, according to the statistics. And it kind of pulled back. And then Friday, you got this big gap or whatever. You can see that maybe in the overnight they went higher, and it is supposed to be down. So it didn't look like it panned out this week. We'll see. Hopefully I have time. I'll do a video for next week and see how next week will play out. But this week was, I guess, I don't know, from my view, kind of like a dud. Maybe the 8th should have been what the 11th was, but that didn't play out. But the summary of this video is, if you use Tradingview, definitely check out this lock price, bar ratio, and then start using some of these indicators with that and see what you see in there in the markets. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on some tips, I guess I call it, in Tradingview.